My name is Anushree. I am 13 years old. I study in DPS Monarch International School, Doha, Qatar. This video is based on Environmental Day and I have given some facts about it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.
The beautiful sceneries we see are slowly turning into expectations. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. Moreover, it is the only thing that can make life sustainable. Without it, we cannot survive even a single day. For instance, our skin will burn, the lungs will get ruptured, or blood pressure would rise. Furthermore, we'll not have any food and water to survive. A clean environment is very important to live a peaceful and healthy life. Our environment is getting destroyed day by day. Instead of greenery, plantation and natural objects, now there exists artificial things like buildings, complexes, streets and vehicles. They emit dangerous gases that pollute our environment. It is very well known that continuity of life on this planet Earth is possible only with a healthy environment. The selfish activities of humans are the biggest threat to our natural healthy environment. Air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, deforestation, acid rain, excessive use of technology, ignorance, and many more are the reason for our environmental destruction. Let us look at some solutions to save our environment. Plant a tree at the end of every month. It doesn't cost you much, but saves a lot. Adopt proper methods of waste disposal, such as compost. Useless cut down of trees should be stopped. The strict measures should be taken to stop deforestation and clearing away of trees.
3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle all help to cut down on the amount of waste we throw away. They conserve natural resources, landfill space, and energy. Plus, the 3 R's save land and money communities must use to dispose of waste in landfills. Reduce. The best way to manage waste is not produce it. This can be done by shopping carefully and being aware of a few guidelines. Reuse. It makes economic and environmental sense to reuse products. Sometimes it takes creativity. Recycle. Recycling is a series of steps that takes a used material and processes, remanufactures and sells it as a new product. Being recycling at home and at work.
In Singapore, there is no trash. They get rid of it in one day. Here is how they do it. First, they collect all the trash in the country, drive it to this building to burn it. 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, the fire is burning trash in this factory. The heat from this process becomes electricity to light up homes. And the toxic smoke gets filtered out and becomes super clean. The remaining ash from the fire is taken to a man-made island, dumped into a special water that doesn't touch the ocean water. This process is so clean, the corals are still alive and the animals are still around. From collecting to burning to filtering to conservation, this is how you keep planet Earth clean.
Our environment provides us all basic and essential ingredients of life. All natural components of environment are vitally important. Modernization and development has caused sharp increase in environmental degradation. The quality of natural components is at risk. Our lives are entirely built on our natural environment. We must not change natural environment into an artificial one. It's our first and foremost responsibility to save our environment.